So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up and install Proton VPN on a router. So guys, if you want to set up and install the Proton VPN on a router, so guys, you just follow this video. For this guys, first of all, you simply connect your router with your system. Okay, after connecting, simply go to the official website of Proton. Okay, where you simply go and here you search according to your OS. Okay, so currently I am using Mac, so guys here I am go and it's recommended my OS is 13, so it recommended my 13. If you have higher, so you choose a Mac OS 14 or the newer. Okay, so you choose, then click the option of download. So the download install, so proton.mac.tmg, this is the file extension, and this is it. If you're talking about the pricing, so guys, these are the pricing. So Proton, it's free. In the free version, it gives one secure device at a time, medium VPN speed, connect to the server in 10 countries. Okay, and these are some paid versions. So if you want some paid version, so you also go through it. Okay, now my application is download, so I'm just double click it and install it. Okay, so simply drag this file into your applications, simply go for applications. Okay, so wait to install. Now guys, after this sound, your application is now installed, and here you go and find your Proton. So this is my Proton app. So here it is open. Now simply go for open, and here you enter your user ID password. If you don't have the account, so you create your accounts. So this is the simple way that you can set up in your system. Okay, now we are going for the sign up. Simply click the option of sign up. So we are using free version, so for this simply go Proton, get Proton free, get Proton play. So you just remove, click the option of Proton free, continue with Proton free. Okay, here you enter your mail. After that, start using Proton. So it start creating your account, securing your account. So this is your password. If you want to change the password, just click it and choose my own. Here enter your password. After set the password, now you just copy your mail and you'll go to your application, and guys, here you see that my Proton is logged in. Okay, so it asks you for the download for Mac OS and Windows. So I'm already download. So here enter your mail, here you enter your password and simply sign in. So guys, this is the way that you can set up. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.